Ever dreamed of buying your dream home, landing that coveted car, or simply getting approved for that personal loan? Chances are, your Transunion credit score holds the key. But what if your score isn't where you want it to be? Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people are on the same journey. Today, we're diving deep into the world of credit scores, focusing specifically on how to boost your Transunion number. Let's face it, understanding credit can be as confusing as trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphics. But fear not, we're here to break it down into plain English. We'll explore what exactly makes up your credit score, common credit myths, and most importantly, actionable steps you can take to improve it. First things first, let's talk about what your credit score actually is. It's a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. Lenders use it to assess how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Think of it as your financial report card. The better the score, the more favorable terms you'll likely get on loans, credit cards, and even insurance. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal with Transunion? Well, Transunion is one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the United States. Along with Equifax and Experian, they collect and provide information about your credit history to lenders. While they all have similar scoring models, there can be slight differences in your score across each bureau. That's why it's essential to focus on improving all 3, but for today, we're zeroing in on Transunion. So, what factors influence your Transunion credit score? Let's break it down. Payment history, this is the most significant factor. Paying your bills on time, every time, is crucial. Late or missed payments can seriously damage your score. Credit utilization, this refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to your available credit. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. Credit history length, the longer your credit history, the better. It shows lenders you can manage credit responsibly over time. Credit mix, having a variety of credit accounts, credit cards, loans, etc., can positively impact your score. New credit, opening too many new accounts in a short period can hurt your score. Now, let's debunk some common credit myths. You've probably heard things like, closing old credit cards can help your score. Wrong. Keeping older accounts open can actually benefit you. Or, checking your credit score hurts it. Not true. Checking your own credit score doesn't affect it. So, how do you actually boost your Transunion credit score? Here are some practical steps. Check your credit report. Start by obtaining a free copy of your credit report from annualcreditreport.com. Review it carefully for errors or inaccuracies. Pay your bills on time. This cannot be emphasized enough. Set up automatic payments if needed. Lower your credit utilization. Make more than minimum payments on your credit cards. Dispute errors. If you find any mistakes on your credit report, dispute them immediately. Build credit gradually. If you have a limited credit history, consider starting with a secured credit card. Limit new credit. Avoid opening multiple credit accounts at once. Monitor your credit regularly. Keep track of your credit score and report any suspicious activity. Remember, improving your credit score takes time and consistency. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay persistent, and celebrate small wins along the way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.